Dear friends, today's topic is how to set timer in Google search by voice. Now let me go to Google. This is a Google search this one desktop. Now let me activate the search by voice. Click it. Set timer for 3 seconds. Just wait a minute. Okay. Now just wait. Let me start click. Set timer for 5 seconds. Again, let us set a timer for 30 seconds. After clicking this, search by voice. Set timer for 30 seconds. Just watch. Super. Alarm has run. So similarly, you can do it for say 6 hours or 7 hours, whatever it is. Set timer for 6 hours. So now the time has been set for 6 hours. So after 6 hours, the timer will ring. Right. So this is the procedure how to set timer using Google search by voice. Thank you.